Hey everyone, Kevin from My Philippine Adventure. I forgot to tell you guys, the other day I went to get a haircut. And you probably noticed in my last few videos I was a little shabby in the hair here. So I went to the barber a couple days ago. Got a nice haircut for 70 pesos. He did a good job, so I gave him 20 peso tip. So less than 100 pesos, I got a haircut, which is under $2. $2 US for a haircut. In America, it's around $15 to $30, depending on where you go. We just paid our water bill. Like I said, it came to $5.25 US dollars. So, got our water bill paid. Now we're heading to the market. This is a supermarket that I put on before. We're not going there. We're gonna go to Nepo and see what they got there, buy some vegetables. Made really good chicken yesterday. Lemon chicken, marinated overnight the other night. Had it last night for dinner. Very delicious. You can see it's a little crowded here. Heading to the market. Again, we're in Alaminos, Pangasinan, Philippines. Really busy. Busy 24/7 here, really. I mean, well, not at midnight. Midnight's not so busy, but it starts slowing down around 10 p.m. Most of the people are in for the night. Got a lot of tricycles, scooters, kalang-kalangs, people selling stuff alongside the road. Everybody's doing their morning shopping for the day. You can get anything you want down here, including dust. So much dust. Uh-oh, I gotta sneeze. Woo. Try to hold it back. Alright, anyway, that's it. I'll show you inside in a little bit. Okay, here we are in Nepo Mart. Take you for a trip around Nepo Mart here real quick. This is like the main mall here in Alaminos. Where everybody, what is that? Yeah. Sort of DIY, kind of like an Ace Hardware store back in America. Do a lot of shopping in there. Here she comes carrying her helmet. Oh, they don't have what I need here. I'm looking for a chest strap for my GoPro so I don't have to hang on to it when I'm driving the motorcycle. I want to just kind of strap it to the chest so you guys can have a good view when I'm driving the motorcycle. If it's on the helmet cam, my head is constantly turning, making it miserable for you guys to watch. So I'm going to avoid the helmet cam if all possible. Try to switch over to a chest strap, which I can't find here. So I think Friday night I'll head over to Tarlac, go to the SM Mall where they have a cyber zone there. Might be able to find a strap in the SM Mall somewhere. And I can start doing some videos from the motorcycle. Anyway, the mall's kind of quiet right now. All the kids are in school. Once it's lunchtime, this place will be packed solid full of kids. Will be packed solid full of kids, children, school kids, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna shut it down. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share the video if you feel like sharing. And we'll see you guys real soon.